Ladybug. What are you doing? The way she looks at me. Ladybug. But you're purring. What the heck is that face? What are you doing? Ladybug. Lick my finger. Can you lick my finger? No? Oh, okay. Ladybug, you want to say hi to YouTube? That face. Oh, golden moment. Oh, golden moment. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I didn't hurt you, though. Weird kitty. Kitty. Phone's at 15%. Mila? Alright, I guess you guys are getting the golden hour. This was only supposed to be a ladybug, but, Mila, say hello to YouTube. Mila. She does not want us. Mimi. Come on, say hello to YouTube. What? You're okay. Can I bonk you? Bonk. You want to say hello to YouTube? No? Okay, well, okay. This is fine. Well, you saw 2, might as well go see 3. Hold on. Pixie, say hi to YouTube. Beep. I'm really bad with cameras, I apologize. It's a kitty. Okay. Go check on one more animal, so might as well. And then there's the lizard. Okay. Cora. Yeah, she's just gonna chill. Oh. Cora. You're just gonna... Okay, well, yeah. Okay. Just a random video, I guess. Okay, bye guys. Have a good night, because it's night where I am, so. Have a good night, have a good day, whatever. So a lot of you have opposite timestamps from me, so. Bye guys.